Electrician pay in Mauritania is worth a closer look. The average electrician income in Mauritania is around $3,600 a year. After tax, that drops to $3,100, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $258 a month. That is the countrywide average, but working in bigger cities usually brings in more money. For instance, an electrician's salary in Nouakchott can reach $3,600 after tax, so you earn noticeably more there. Pay in rural areas falls well below this level, but lower living costs often balance out the lower income. Experience also plays a big part in how much does an electrician make in Mauritania, because beginners start well below the average and see quick raises early on. Your salary plateaus later, unless you move into supervision, which is why getting a university degree matters so much. A degree raises average electrician pay sharply and helps you step up into higher roles, like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, employer size makes a massive difference to electrician wages. Small local firms pay a fraction of what large national companies offer, while international employers pay the highest rates of all.